Connecting your tilt rotator to a stand is easy. It's as simple as mounting a standard bucket or attachment. Unlock your coupler and line up the tilt rotator with the stand's mounting points. Lower the tilt rotator and pick up the attachment and lock as normal. Then you lower the stand back down on the ground. Make sure the stand is fully supporting the tilt rotator before disconnecting anything. Cycle the auxiliary controls with the machine off to release any trapped pressure and disconnect any necessary hoses. Unlock your hitch and slowly curl your excavator arm away, leaving the lower half of your hitch and the stand on the ground. You can then use a telehandler, forklift or excavator with pallet forks to transport the lower hitch and stand if required. To reconnect the lower half of your tilt rotator, do the previous steps in reverse. Position the excavator so the upper tilt rotator lines up with the lower half of your tilt rotator hitch. Lower into position and lock your hitch on as normal. Then reconnect the hoses, making sure there's no twists or pinch points. And then slowly test tilting and rotating your tilt rotator, checking for leaks or any unusual movements.